Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to use Solidworks Sheetmetal command swept flange. So let's start. Let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in Solidworks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs. Okay. So I will start with the rectangle. So let's go to here, let's say top plane, select sketch. Here I will select center rectangle and I will draw random rectangle here. Let's dimension. Let's go to here smart dimension and let's say this dimension is 150 and let's say this dimension is 80. Okay. Now I will go to this one, Solidworks Sheetmetal tab, and I will select this one, base, flange or tab, and I will use sheet thickness of 2 and I will select OK. Here we will draw 4 lines and then we will dimension. So let's say one line here and then one line here and then one line here and then one line here. Okay. Now I will select all these lines by pressing shift and I will make them equal, and let's dimension, let's say this line, and let's say its length is 10. Okay, and let's dimension this angle and let's say it is 135 or 45, and now you can see that this sketch is turned into black, which means that it is fully defined. You can see here as well the sketch is fully defined. Okay, now I can use Solidworks swept flange feature. Let's go to your sheet metal and let's select this one, swept flange, and it will take 2 inputs, profile and path. So profile is this one, and for path I will select, let's say this one, and let's say this one and this one. Okay, so the default radius is 0.736 something, but I will take radius as 3 mm. The simple formula is 1.5 times thickness. So when you multiply 1.5 with 2 mm thickness, so you would get 3 mm. And here you can change this flange position. Okay, and you can, let's say, change this one as well, but I will leave all these settings as it is. And you can add custom relief as well. You can add bend allowance as well. I will select OK, or let's add, let's say, this flange as well. And now you can see that box is completed. And now I can use flatten feature. So let's select this one, flatten feature, to calculate its blank size. And here you can see bend lines as well. Now I can export this document as a DXF file in any machining software. Now I will go to here, save as, and I will use file type as DXF for machining. So I will select this one, DXF, and I will save. Now it will ask you entities to export. So I will check this one, bend lines, and I will select OK. Now it will give me a preview. Remember one thing, that these center lines are not part of your sketch. So this solid line, this outer periphery, is the boundary of your sketch, and I will select this one, save. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. If you have still any queries, any questions, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. Thank you.